So yesterday it was nice out and I was replacing some slate in here, and I got to this part and there was a couple that were definitely needed replacing, but then after looking at them closer there was more than that, and I started taking them out, and some of them were just basically disintegrated when I pulled them out. Others came out and were still in one piece, but you could tell by the sound how good they are. And some of them, like this is not a great sign right here, but I decided not to go further. So I ended up taking a bunch out, and I needed to work someplace else this morning. So now it's starting to rain, but I think I can get these on fairly quick. So what I'm going to do is start grabbing some slate. First I'm going to clean up all the debris that came off. The felt paper just disintegrates. You have to clean everything up real good. So I'm going to get that off into a pail, and then I'm going to start putting slate on as fast as I can go here. Not overly fast. It's not like it's pouring, and even if it does start pouring, I got to get them on. So I pulled off a new one here. I'm going to move that up the top because that one had one hole in the center, so I'll move that up to top. So basically I can start 2 nails, 2 nails, 2 nails right up through. So the first couple rows are going to go real fast. The first 3-4 rows, because this row will go good, this row, that row, that row, and then the last row, some of that will go real good, and then some of them I'll have to put bibs in, like 3 of them. So it looks like quite a bit to do, but really it's not going to be too bad. Cutting them might take me the longest. I have a few cut here, and then I have some more ready to cut. So I'll do that. Okay, so let's get to work. I was hoping it wouldn't start raining yet, but I worked at my other job longer than I planned on, but I did get a lot done. Okay, let's get going and get this on.